Welcome back to another video in the rain, guys. Guess what? We're going to cook some chicken foot and bean and rice. And we're having a lot of rain today. Yes, guys, the country shut down today because hurricane tropical storm out. Yeah, the rain you can hear from the background. See the nice chicken foot there. I'm going to take one and show you outside. We can go with my banana tree. They one of them and bird bend. So I have to go chop it down later on. So while we're home, guys, another weather here, cook some chicken foot and some rice. The water pressure now low. So I want to cook fast. So can go back inside. When showing the outside, guys, I will show you outside of the beans. Or the trees are blown up banana tree there. Just now I'm going to show you the huge chicken foot now. Get a container, so this here as usual. Need a big knife. Leave the pan and the cutting board. Guys, you can hear the background, the wind and blow. Chop up this here. So everywhere locked down. Supermarket, government place. Just to name it. Everywhere locked down today. They say this shift, you know, and they come back at us. And earth tropical depression, I think they say starting in earnest. I don't have any radio right now listening to it because we are back there living, guys. My something can't take up the radio right now. I have to go online. I really want to pick up the station. So me and my children are home today. Luckily, my daughter was scheduled to be off today, so it not affects she. My son couldn't go to work. And I cannot go, you know, so all of it's home. Neighbor tree breakdown. We have they call it papaya tree there over there. Nice little papaya tree, guys. When I get outside and the outside there in the window, I will video and show you guys. Tree fall off down. So I have no more papaya for me to go back on next one. You know the papaya tree, you know. Here another arena. Huh? What you say? Yeah. I'm good. Guys, my daughter come check up on me. She come out to ask me if I'm good. Guys, when the rain ease up,
What you look different?
yeah, that the place white. When the rain ease up, now out there go to the outside, here the outside.
What does it get? And I see a
Yes. Boy. God, the breeze we are blowing the tree, them go one direction. show them. So this come clean. So the only thing they come, you have to do a cut off the toe them. Because they already clean them up, strip it off. So just the toe have to cut off. Need to properly wash with my lime. Some water running through, guys. So that means the water pressure is low. But I had already cut some water last night because after they say this time was coming close. We should come in and take some water. But if it rains, oh, at least we have water for it to keep us going. So I contact a pound. I wake up. So I'm going to put on some seasoning on it, guys. Some chicken seasoning here. Little paprika. The black pepper. I have some George seasoning here, so I'll add some of it. That's what I like into this paper. Chicken seasoning, no, not chicken seasoning. I will put on the Maggi seasoning already. So, basically that's it. I'll put on some of this. This here, guys, are some fish browning. So I'll put on some on it. Go with a nice taste. I don't have original browning in the kitchen. However, so I'm using what I have in my kitchen, guys. Put on what I have. Today's a day we don't really cooking about because we warm. But have to run. So I use another in my kitchen. Guys, I'm going to forget some garlic onto this, but I'm going to do it after now. So we're going to show you the outside all the weather going on out there in the outer part, guys. So guys, the pot on the fire now. We're going to grease it a little bit. Just a little bit of olive oil going in there. Stir it up just around, stir it around the pot. Just water grease here, guys. Alright, that's it. I'm just going to put the cumin seed in there to burn. See that, guys? So try to careful them in there now. The chicken smelling really nice with all that fragrance from the cumin seed oil. And the season will go on to the chicken foot, make it taste smelling good. The kitchen start to smell up good already. So shift out the pan. Put some more water in there. Okay, you know water already cook chicken foot. That amount of water I'm going to put down. So and this near for finish up before the rice manage to have it. And this cook halfway, I'll put on the rice on the fire. Guys, I'm going to put the season in the pot right now. So here you I make this off camera because the water went, as I tell you guys, water was low. So the water gone, even the current gone guys. The current don't really affect me because I'm using the solar system. So the only difference I have to go my case and wrap up the video because my son out rain a fall. The panel need to charge up. But my sister called me and tell me that she out of light. She not no internet. She not no cable for watch anything while I'm still here. I can use my phone guys. I have service on my phone. And we have the power system to charge our stuff over here. So we go there over this side. But I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to put the video fast. I'm going to shoot outside. So after this, I'm going outside for the rain to the pitch. I'm dropping them spinach here fast at the pot, guys. I want to see the sea, guys. My daughter showed me, say, Mommy, look at the sea. Why? I have to show you some clip of that. But zoom in because I can stay from my house and sit down in this ocean. But I'm going to zoom in on it. And if not, then the rain roll up the bit. I can walk down the foot of the road and catch it from the bottom of the road and go closer. And they say one banana tree bend, but I know one guys. Well, that one out there bend up. So that's about it. The spinach dumpling. This is my onion and some spinach I just got cut from the garden. So we're putting in that in the pot, guys. Nice little pot in the weather, no fancy nothing. Just make yourself adjust to the weather system. And this is the bean now, wash off the can. So I'm going to open the bean. I want to take off the light. The case today. Yeah. Put in a little more. Put a little butter in the pot. I'm putting some ketchup. I put a little butter in here. Just that here, so get the ketchup out of the fridge. Water boil up for the rice, so I'll put in the rice just now. So when you this to cooking, guys, you deal with the rice pot just slowly. So this is the rice pot over here somewhere. Water bubbling. Get the rice in. Put a little olive oil. Now I'm going to put a little olive oil in the pot here, guys. And that I was hoping to get some dumpling today, but alright, she has it today. She's a dumpling, little lover. Put a little salt in here. Guys, we're in the potland. Come back at it again. Guys, look here. But I have to go back inside fast now. Look at my banana tree, guys. The rain still not coming. It's still the wind that blows still. I have to go inside. Just going a quick look outside here. We are going with my banana. Wow! There's a whole lot of them drop down, man. Oh my word. Wow. There's a whole lot of them. Watch it, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Well, we have life. That is the greatest thing, you know, guys. We have life. I lost most of my bananas, them. I'll just go and chop them down. God spare life tomorrow, I chop them out. I make them catch back again, the root part. Yeah, the wind, the rain coming, guys. You hear it from the sea. I'm going to show you the ocean now. Wow. Zoom in, guys. Zoom in. Look there, guys. Look at the sea. That's the sea, guys. So what I go on over there, so for the sea, look. Wow. See that, guys? The rain coming now, so going back inside. I'm back to my pot again. That's it. Guys, pot land. So this me are going like, you know, guys. The white rice with the chicken foot and bean and some spinach dumpling. Guys, the weather. Still I get the little rain and a little breeze. They say it passed. We've got thanks. Put the chili pepper over there so I don't bite it. My mistake. Guys, continue to enjoy my video, guys. I'll show you a little pepping of my banana trees, them guys. We're hoping that we're going to get bananas soon, but obviously it's stepping us back. We're going to wait a while again before we can get more banana. Before them come and look at them. So, guys, thanks again to watch my video. Can the man in the distract me now? Because I have to look over this, so over there, so because got them in front of me and next one coming and get me distracted. Because I want to come in before I will cut in the head. Anyway, guys, back to the wrapping up, guys. That's Beauty they seen at the background, guys, about the business. You know, Bali, the male cat, the father cat. But anyway, guys, thank you very much to watch this episode again. And see you again, guys, when I drop a next video, guys. So, do the right thing. Share, like, subscribe. And if you don't subscribe yet, guys, what are you waiting for? Thank you.